challenging for buyers, not just because the selection is so limited, but the average sales price is up to $1,361,253. It's Friday, March 8th, 2024. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker-owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Annapolis Real Estate Report. As Annapolis becomes less affordable, many residents are getting their property tax bills. Residents on fixed incomes are seeing their city taxes increase as home values rise, compounding affordability. Available homes for sale in Annapolis fell to 91 this past week. 21 homes are coming soon, a drop by 1 this report. 16 homes hit the market over the past week, falling from last week. 21 went under contract, rising only by 1 this report. 9 moved to pending, a slight rise of 7 properties this week. 30 homes sold at 100% list to sold ratio and selling in 36 days. The highest priced home to sell was in Sherwood Forest for $2,100,000. Rentals in Annapolis are at 38 for $3,088 per month. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, March 8th, 2024. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe, and I'll see you next week. Take care.